with the songs that they're going to do. So it's been changed. The first song they're going to do is a Thai song called Happy But Poor. It's about a boy who is very poor and he wants to marry a girl. He doesn't think that she'll accept him because he's so poor, but she decides she will. So she consents to the marriage, and then he's very happy. The second song that they will be doing is a Mien song, She Grows in Beauty, telling about how beautiful she was when he was dating her, but now that they're married, she grows more beautiful with every day as she gets older. Okay, we have here Chan, Fong, May, K, Tin, Lai, Fang,